I am back at home, and because there isn't any water in Sandton, what we're gonna do is spend the weekend in Midrand at my brother's, and yeah, and just keep it moving because rumors on the streets are saying that the water will be back after 5 days. Some are saying after 3 days. Some are saying after 1 day. I don't know. All I know is I bought water so that I can clean, so I can flush the toilet, which is just nasty. But yeah, it's giving poverty. Okay, it's giving poverty. You know what, I don't want to lie, I'd rather us not have electricity than not have water. That's just me. You can let me know in the comment section which one you prefer, because for me, I can live without electricity, but I don't think I can live without water. And the fact that the water may be gone for 5 days is kind of crazy, but all is well, all is great. I think it has been a minute since you and I have kind of sat down and got into it. I don't want to necessarily get into it now, but it's been really a tough week for me, and I know that what I've been praying for has just been discipline more than anything, because I have to be disciplined for the rest of the year if I really genuinely want to achieve my goals. I think the first 5 months of the year I've played around, like just trying to get into rhythm, which I have, and I'm going to show myself grace and compassion, because there are certain things that I now do that I didn't do last year. So, but I would love to be a little bit more disciplined if I'm trying to achieve my goals for this year. And honestly, I think you guys kind of know, which is that this year I'm spending my time, my money, my energy, my creativity into making my house a home and buying furniture, new furniture as a married couple. So we're getting rid of a lot of stuff, bringing in new things, and that requires money. So just being disciplined with my finances is kind of what I'm praying for the most. So I think maybe I want to start a financial tracker, and just also a no spend day. I need to celebrate each day I don't spend money, because this is where we are with the way the economy is set up. The fact that I am certain that I am experiencing my second recession as a human being here on earth. I always say to people at work that I'm ready to die, because I think I've seen too much. I've survived COVID, I've survived swine flu, I've survived 2012 because everybody thought the world was ending. I'm surviving a second recession. I'm going to survive a second recession. I've survived a lot of stuff, and I think I've seen a lot. I have experienced the Industrial Revolution. I have experienced life post-apartheid. I have experienced the data revolution, because that's what I believe like we are in right now, or like technology revolution, whatever you want to call it, a digital revolution. I have just experienced way too much, and I'm only turning 30 next month. So what is the next 30 years gonna look like? I'm a little scared. I am a little scared because I was born in those years where people were still transitioning to, like, you know, normal cell phones, from not using telephones anymore. So I've just seen a lot, chat. So I am done with everything, and I started a new series called The Stolen Girl that I just quickly wanted to touch on before I leave the house for Saint Stinians, which is about 15 minutes away from my house. I had to just wash my face in my basin because criticals of being a South African. Sometimes you don't have water. Even though you live in Sandton, it doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter anymore. So anyway, this show is called The Stolen Girl, and it's basically a girl who got stolen by somebody who was acting under false pretense. And the crazy part is, one of the main characters might know who actually stole the girl. Okay, so it's really good. It's a good series. I always say give a new series a shot. Okay, watch the first episode, and if you don't like it, it's fine. Then you can say you weren't really into it, unless if you're the type of person who likes to watch a full season of something, which is me, and then you rule it out to say that was like a 4 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10. But on the other side, I think this is a show I'm about to be obsessed with. I love to obsess about stuff. For example, I've just finished The Good American Family, and The Good American Family is actually based on a true story. It's about Natalia, it's about Christine, it's about the whole people who are involved. That's a true story that was turned into a series. So I don't think The Stolen Girl is a true story, but it's very, very nice. So I'm about to obsess. I'm about to obsess, and I wish that I didn't have like commitments, you know, because now I want to watch episode 2, but I can't. I think I might download it and watch it at the game, but no, I need to be present at the game. You see, I'm conflicted because it's really that good. So give it a shot. Let me know your thoughts. I don't want to say too much. And that's about it. So let me quickly get dressed, change my shirt. I'm keeping them pants, and then I'll see you guys at the rugby field. Ciao.
The dangers. Hold it on! Ref! Thank you! Nice. Don't let go.
It's the exact same walkout. Everyone has the same walkout. We stole it from like Bishops, I think. What a kick. Bloody go! Do we have
My game started at 11:15. My coach at 5:11.
Did he bash? I saw him at assembly.
Yeah, he was my other teacher.
Is he an intern?
That's like 20 minutes.
How is the branding blue?
Outside. Outside.
This is my favorite song.
Wale for me.
Wale.
Wale.
I'm so upset that he
He's
hasn't
underrated.
given us. I love
He's
Wale.
underrated.
When is he still releasing stuff?
I don't know, but I'm saying.
Oh no, for me, how I fell in love with romantic hip hop.
Yeah?
Romantic hip hop. Wale.
Wale. Wale.
They better.
They must play.
They better. Metro Moni. They
Metro Moni.
better.
Wale,
They
they-
better.
If you listen to him, just
Yo.
have you listened to the
I'm at a Braai. As you guys can hear, lots of loud noises in the background. Everybody's watching the game. It's the derby today. Last week my husband went to go watch, I don't know if it's the first round of the derby, and now this is the second part of the derby, and we're watching it at my brother's, my brother-in-law, my brother's. There's the Braai, right over there. I may have to drive back to Sandton to go pick up my sister, and because I actually locked the house. So this is my last drink. It's my only drink for the day and the last one because I have to get behind the wheel and I'll probably have to wait for the next hour. So after this, it's just water for me. Guys, my hair looks terrible actually now that I'm looking at it. I have to undo this hair. I was supposed to undo it this weekend, but with the way things turned out, the fact that we don't have water, the fact that I can't do my hair, I'm thinking I want to do something that doesn't pull my hair down. So cornrows is kind of like what I'm trying to go for. I'm not necessarily sure which hairstyle I want to go for this time around, but best believe when I say to you guys that I will be getting something flat, because also I'm back to working out. So this and working out and running, you know when you're running and it's like your neck gets like heavy. I don't know how to say it to you, but also when you're doing yoga, you know, you like, and you must carry your neck and this hair. It can get a little too much, best believe me when I say that. So that's what's up. I'm having fun. It's the weekend, baby. Cheers to you.
point at which you inform the house. Thank you. Eating. And creamy face.
No, man. Why not when your phone was
Really wants to let the women lead it to the let the women No. That was enough. Yeah, so she definitely
Say second time. Right, then she said I didn't look at the body. Yeah, I don't look at the body. We're boring. The last time. I've learned. The fashion. And the fashion only.
And the bravado, man.
Just the swagger. Obi, tell us man in Africa.
I'm working on those promotions. I'm working on those promotions. I'm working on those moves. They're just like, yeah, I'm here doing. Just like, yeah, you don't even have to be a good dancer.
No, but I was telling him I want to go to New Orleans.
Wait.
CEO and your wife is a COO, CFO.
I didn't think they...
Una pila ingat ko siya mas tepe sa lingkod.
Bravo, bravo. Lavona, but not a wedding celebration. I've only done this once. Been in the room for lunch.
I live in a twice.
Bravo, Macho. That's a tunyal. Rishape. Amasok abay mo na in our wedding celebration. Rishape.
I think
I were talking inside about how he wants a wedding celebration. Kero must have a wedding celebration.
A wedding but not a marriage.
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
No, I love that.
Yeah.
Maramo Celeste.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a but I was
What?
I need to
So